Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your account with partner and Rocket Money. So the Rocket Money allows premium members to share their membership with one partner through the partner sharing feature. So each person keeps their own Rocket Money login and linked financial accounts while gaining access to share premium features. So actually guys, you will need to first open the partner or your partner. So just open the app and tap on the gear icon or the settings that's located at the left or at the top left corner, the upper left corner here, and then just select the premium membership option. You will find it listed here on the left hand menu. So for me, I couldn't proceed to the dashboard on my new phone, and that's because my Capital One bank account is blocked, so I couldn't proceed. So for you guys, you all need just to listen and follow my instructions. So actually guys, as first you'll need to tap on premium membership and then just tap partner sharing and tap invite partner and then enter your partner's email address and tap send invitation. So your partner will receive an email with instructions for accepting the invitation, right? Also guys, for the partner, you will need to receive an invitation. So just open the invitation email and click the invitation link and sign into your existing Rocket Money account or create a new account if you don't already have one, and accept the invitation to join the shared premium membership. So once accepted, your account will be linked to the shared premium plan. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.